And Assalamu alaikum, and today I will talk about Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so how we get if one of the sides of triangle, right angle triangle, it have to be right angle triangle, is missing. How can I get if I have two sides and one side is missing for right angle triangle? How can I figure out? That's what we learn. What we will learn today. Okay, so this is the general formula. Base BC square is equal AB square plus AC square. Sometimes we call, so this is B, the side of opposite of that we can say is small b, and this is A, the side of opposite we can say is small a, and this is C, the side of opposite we can say is small c, which will gives me BC, which is this side. I can say A square is equal C square plus B square. So if you write this way, it's also right. Okay, so when I am looking for C, so C square is equal B square. So who is first? This one, A square minus B square. If I'm looking for B square, A is always first because it's the long side is A minus C square. Okay, these are the three formulas you will need to get the missing side of the triangle. I have three examples here. The first one is missing the long side, the second one is missing one of the legs, and the third one is missing the other leg. Okay, so how can we do that one? So let's start with the first one, number one. Okay, I have 20, I have 15, and BC is missing. So BC square, which is this one, is equal 20 square plus 15 square. Okay, so you have to go for the time is 20 square is 400 plus 15 square is 225. When I add these two, gives me 625. Therefore BC only square is equal 625, which is big, but there is a square here. I just need to get just the BC, which is square root of 625, which is 25. Okay, so when I come to the next one, which is, and I have BC square is equal AB square plus AC square. Okay, so what I have is BC. BC is 15. 15 square is equal AB is missing, AB square plus 9 square. Okay, so when we have that one, what I said is, and we use subtraction. So I say AB square is equal 15 square minus 9 square. Okay, so 15 square, 15 times 15, I said 225, minus 9 square is 81. So let's subtract it. 225 minus 81 is 4. It's not possible. You borrow 1 from here. Here is 12. 12 minus 8 is 4 and 1. So we have AB square is equal 144. Then just the AB is equal square root 144, which gives me 12. Okay, so the last one is missing one of the other side. Okay, let's erase here. The last one, we have a BC square is equal AB square plus AC square. So BC is 8. 8 square is equal AB, which is 7. 7 square plus AC square. So this goes the other side, so it will be 8 square minus 7 square is equal AC square. So 8 square is 64 minus 49 is equal AC squared. So what is this? So let's subtract it. 64 minus 49. So you borrow 1 from here. Here is 5. Here is 14. 14 minus 9 gives you 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. It's 15. So we have AC squared is equal 15. AC only is equal square root 15, which is not perfect square, but it's close to 16, which gives me 4. So this is close to 3.8. Okay, so that is, when you use calculator, you will get it, but because it's close to 16, which is 4, but it's not 4, we have to get approximate 3.8, 3.9, 3.7. It's approximate like this, higher than 3.5. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.